we've made it. 2021 says, girl, I think it's only right that we start this video off right with the intro. You ready? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, It's your girl, Jen J, of course. Welcome back. Hi sis. Oh my god, we made it to 2021. First of all, let me take the time to wish every single one of you guys a happy new year to you and your family. All the best in 2021. I wish that you guys prosper this year. I wish your year filled with abundance. I am speaking it all into existence right now because everything that we learned in 2020, we need to apply in 2021. And 2020 taught us tomorrow's not promised. So if you need to do something, you need to do it today. You need to focus. At the end of the day, no one else is going to look out for you like you can. It's not time to make excuses. It's not time to blame somebody else for what they're not doing. I feel like it's too early for me to start preaching. I really wanted to take the time to officially wish you guys a great year because I feel like we indirectly talked in the comments or on Instagram or in my DMs, but we didn't officially, say it. So, all the best this year, you guys. Happy New Year. Welcome to Couch Conversation, my very first official video of the year. You're probably like, well, that doesn't even make any sense because you've been uploading. Well, sis, these videos were filmed since like before Christmas. I filmed these videos way ahead and scheduled them. What? Who is she? I don't know. The reason why I had to film and schedule my videos ahead of time is because B and I took a little impromptu vacation. Okay. Let's start with a little bit of life update. I think it's only right, the year just started. I had a great time off. I took 3 weeks off of work. So that was amazing. I just did my thing, my influencer thing. At the end of December, B and I was like, why don't we take a vacation? So we up and went to Cancun. Oh my God. First of all, I've never been to Cancun. Second of all, I've never been on an all-inclusive vacation. Yes, if you've never taken an all-inclusive vacation, you're missing so much in life. I was missing so much in life. Imagine being in the most beautiful place for 5 days and your agenda is literally to relax, eat, drink, repeat. That is it. Nothing on the agenda. It was amazing. I had so much fun. It was beautiful in Cancun. We got there, it wasn't really hot, but then it warmed up afterwards. The sun was nice. Oh my God. I literally could have just stayed by the ocean for the rest of my life. It was just so calming. It was everything that I needed. I needed this. I needed it. And now I just feel like a whole new person. Okay, I really don't like the angle of my camera, so I'm going to fix that and I'll be right back. A little bit better. I feel like y'all were all up in my stomach, And I've been eating and drinking. Oh, okay. You don't know how much drinking you can do until you have unlimited alcohol. Y'all, I was just taking it back. All the drinks were wonderful. The food was wonderful. The resorts were great. Everyone's on vacation. Everyone's in a great mood. Everyone's half drunk. It was great. I had a blast. Now that I'm back, it's snowing here, but it's fine. I recharged. I needed it. I needed to recharge, and I didn't know how much I needed to recharge until I was recharging. All-inclusive vacation is where it's at for me. Mind you, I haven't traveled that much, but it was a great experience. They were very on top of things in terms of cleanliness and washing your hands and using hand sanitizer and social distancing. They were really on top of that. I mean, once you got drunk, I guess you didn't really care, but I took my distance from people, so I didn't really feel like I wasn't safe or anything like that. It was great. I'm already looking up my next vacation, basically. Having gone to Cancun and now that I'm back, I kind of feel behind, and that's kind of taking me out of my vacation mode into, okay, I need to focus mode, because although I drafted my goals, back in November, I started drafting my goals and thinking about what I want to do this year. Now I really need to figure out how I'm going to make it happen. Because I have so many goals, it's kind of overwhelming me. So I have been taking the time to figure out how I'm going to get it done. And also, I've been feeling the pressure of it's New Year's and everyone has their resolution done and everyone has their life together. And I kind of feel like I don't have my life together. So that's kind of stressing me out. But I shouldn't let other people determine my pace. That is a recipe for disaster. And Jen, who is woke, know better. So I'm taking my time. I am going through it day by day, doing a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and trying to figure out how I'm going to make my goals happen. And you guys are probably like, what goals, girl? What do you have going on this year? So this year, I really feel like it's the year for me when it comes to my YouTube career. I'm just in a whole different mindset than when I first started YouTube. I mean, for the first 8 years of my YouTube career, I really saw it as like a hobby. And now I'm in a whole mentality. I'm doing this and I want to do it right and I want to do it big. That takes us right into the usual things that we usually talk about in couch conversation. So YouTube, I believe I'm at 115,000 subscribers now. It's crazy to me because when I started my year in 2020, I believe I had like 66,000 people, or 67, somewhere around there when I started 2020. So 2020 has actually been really good in terms of my social media growth. More people at home, more people are watching these videos, and once you come across your girl, you just have to subscribe, right? 2020 was actually pretty good in terms of that. My Instagram, I am at 26,000 subscribers. I did not reach my goal. Actually, my goal for Instagram was to reach 30,000 subscribers last year or before the start of 2021, and that did not happen. But it's okay. I'm not really feeling bitter about it at all. I'm not mad that you're not following me on Instagram. It's okay. I just need to figure things out. It lets me know that I need to figure Instagram a little bit better this year, be more strategic or more efficient about how I'm Instagramming, because I really feel like I don't have a real strategy when it comes to Instagram and growing. I kind of just shoot in the dark. I post a picture and hopefully you like it. But if I study my analytics on Instagram, I'm sure it'll let me know like a better pattern, what you guys want to see or what people interact with, so I can be a little bit more efficient with what I post. So I think this year I need to be a little bit more strategic with what I post, when I post, how I post it. Brand deals. Last year was a very interesting year for me in terms of working with brands. It was basically the first year where I've really been working with brands, to be honest, and I've had the pleasure of working with a lot of great brands that I enjoyed, that I like. Maui, for example, was a great experience. Belief was a great experience. Foresee Only was so fun to work with. It didn't even feel like work, I love working with brands that I already like, or that you end up finding out that you like, because sometimes you don't really know, you don't know who's on the other side of the screen, and then you start talking to them and you're like, what, I vibe with you, you sound pretty cool. I can't wait to see what 2020. I can't wait to see what 2021 is going to throw my way, because it's really fun working with some brands and introducing them to you guys in case, you've never heard of them or you were looking and then, hey, I was looking to buy that. I'm also understanding and learning how to work with brands. It's not just getting products and playing in them. There's a whole business around brand deals. There's a whole business aspect to it. So, I've learned so much about that last year. It's interesting. I had the opportunity to really discover and work with so many brands. So I am very fortunate and grateful for that. And grateful for you guys, because without you, none of this would be happening. I wouldn't be working with nobody but Becky's. I'm kidding. I like my job. Website. Let's talk about the website. So last year, as you guys know, I had a soft little launch for a website. But this year, I think I'm really figuring out what I want to do with it, because right now it's kind of just like a website. I just own the domain. But this year, I want to turn it into a blog. So my plan, and one of the things that I'm working on right now, is to actually revamp the website, turn it into a blog. I want it to be this space on the internet that's mine, that you can go to find out all the products that I love, all the products that I'm using, products that I don't really like, things like that, where it's all in one spot versus having it all spread out. Because even I can keep up with the things that I post now. YouTube, Instagram, like it's just everywhere. So I am actually excited to have this one spot where I can put everything and make it easier for you guys to find. One of my goals this year is to dip a little bit more into affiliate marketing, because mind you, for like 8 years I was on YouTube, I was recommending products and not making a dime off of that. And I don't say that in a bad way. I love doing that. I love sharing products that I like. I love it when you guys come back and tell me how useful a product that I recommended was. You know, it will help if I could make a few coins off of my recommendations. I mean, if I'm gonna recommend a product anyway, I might as well, right? So that's going to help me with that as well. At least that's how I see it. Anywho, the other big goal that I have this year is to come out with, I don't know, some sort of like merch or product or something. And I know a lot of people say move in silence, and what is it, some saying about moving in silence and shock them or whatever. And like, I get the rationale behind that, but I just don't really believe that if I put my ideas out there, someone's going to stop me. Because I'm just so focused into what I'm doing anyway. But also, if you guys hear these ideas and it inspires you, I'm not gonna be mad at that either. Like, go and do your thing, boo-boo. I don't understand why people say that, because at the end of the day, everything that we know, we've learned from someone else, you know? If I inspire you as a YouTuber by saying all the goals that I have, all the plans that I have, then hey girl, there's space for all of us out here, okay? Anywho, yeah, I don't know what it's gonna be yet. I have absolutely no clue, but I will just have to figure it out. Also, one of you guys, actually a subscriber of mine, reached out to me and she mentioned having a Patreon, and it's something that I've had in my mind for basically a year now. I've learned of Patreon and I was like, well, that's something I could do, but then what am I gonna do? What am I gonna post on there? But she basically planted the seed. She reached out and she was like, hey, listen, I'll be happy to support if you do it. And I was like, Jesus? Is that you? I am gonna figure something out there too, because we are doing it big in 2021. I'm telling you, we're doing it big. So yeah, those are my goals, I guess I could say, for my big goals, my big ideas, big vision for 2021. I think it's going to be a great year. In terms of posting videos though, I do have a big question for you. What kind of content are you looking forward when you come to my channel? Or what kind of content would you like me to make? What content do you think will be useful and beneficial for you? I want you to leave a comment down below. Let me know, be detailed. Let me know exactly what you want from me, okay? And let me know what kind of content that I create that you enjoy and why you enjoy it. Let's have a little moment with each other. Let's check in so that my channel is beneficial, useful, entertaining for you because you're watching it. You know what I mean? So I'll tell you what I am planning on posting and you can let me know if you agree. I plan on posting, obviously, natural hair. Natural hair is a given. We love her. We still love her. Although, I am still in this fashion twist situation. Yeah, I need to take out my hair. I know that my hair is so dry under because I was in the ocean, the salt. I need to wash her. Today makes exactly 1 month since I have those passion twists actually. So they held up really, really well. I did my baby hairs today, so I look very good. But I've been looking kind of grimy, I'm not gonna lie. Head wrap is by Shakura Apparel, if you're wondering, by the way. I need to take out my hair. I need to spend some quality time because she is dry. I have not been moisturizing her ever since going to Cancun. Hair care, I did not moisturize. I did not take care of my scalp. Nothing. So my scalp is grimy and my hair is dry and dirty. So expect a wash day routine video from me because we are going to spend some quality time in my hair very soon. Most likely tomorrow. By the way, I am feeling this natural makeup look that I'm rocking right now. It just feels so refreshing. Instagram will make you believe that you need to have 17 layers of foundation on your face to wear makeup when you can actually have so much fun in makeup and doing the bare minimal. I did a very light makeup. I didn't even do my brows or anything today. And I really feel pretty. I don't know, sometimes you just don't need a bunch of makeup on your face. And it's possible to just be light and airy with it and still get a great look. I just think we need to bring that back. We need to bring it back. Being natural, being yourself, being comfortable in your own skin. We need to bring that back in 2021, okay? Anyways, I completely got sidetracked. The videos that I plan on uploading this year include natural hair, like I said, of course, absolutely necessary. And not just natural hair videos, but more educational videos around natural hair. I enjoy making those type of videos. It's not so repetitive for me, and I think they will be very helpful for you. Beauty videos all around, so makeup, skincare, self-care videos, as well as maybe sprinkle a little bit of like productivity or how I do my thing behind the scene videos of perhaps, you know, how I film my videos, how I edit my videos, things like that. Let me know if you would like these type of videos because they're very niche. They are for a certain type of people, you know, influencers or people that are doing what I do. If you have any requests, of course, let me know down below. And you know what? I think that's probably it for this couch conversation. I hope that you enjoyed it, sis. I don't know if I even said that. I will continue making couch conversation videos, and hopefully this year we can make it a little bit more conversational, like, so have a guest, or you guys can send in questions in advance. We'll figure it out, but I do plan on keeping couch conversations. And also maybe a little bit of vlogging. Okay, we enjoyed the vlogs too. Yeah, I really enjoyed just sitting down talking to you guys. Those are my favorite type of videos to make because it's so intimate and it just really nourished our relationship. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being part of my life. I'm so grateful to have this outlet, this platform where I can literally close the door and it's just you and me talking hair, beauty, self-care, all the things that I like that they may not understand. So I wish you a prosperous year, a year that's rich with everything that you desire, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, bye.